Alright, here we are at the newly renovated new hotel, Park MGM. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the lobby. They've done some amazing improvements to this old Monte Carlo, so we definitely would recommend checking it out. You can catch some of the deals in the link below. We've got some good deals for room rates right now. People are winning over there. It's always a good sign. They got a full Starbucks.
It's a Wheel of Fortune right now.
So it doesn't look like anything like the Monte Carlo.
I guess I could read the call.
Pools are straight ahead. Everything looks new and clean. So this is the check-in lobby. This is kind of one of their signature pieces right here. This growing tree up above. Pretty cool. So they've done a really nice job with the new Park MGM. Check it out.